Okay, so I got cut off in that last problem, but the square root of 53 was not a nice number. And so you want to read the directions for how many you are going to round to. And the directions say round to the nearest hundredth, and that is 2 decimal places. So I'm going to have 7.2. If the square root is a nice number, like we did in the first example, the square root of 81 is a nice number, please give me that. But when it's not, you can give me 2 decimal places. I am not going to do this third problem for you, but you can check my answer key if you want. But if you would like to try it, you would get that x is equal to 18.33. So I suggest pausing this and making sure that you know where that comes from. But we are going to move ahead to why this is important. And we already did page 14, so sorry about that. We are going to skip ahead to the bottom of page 15, and I'm going to erase this stuff right here. We're going to be on the bottom of page 15. And we're going to be solving the triangles. The instructions are just going to say solve the triangle. And that's just a few words. But in those few words, you are responsible for knowing what this means. So when we solve a triangle, we want to make sure that we have all of the pieces of information for all 3 side lengths and all 3 angle measures. And so we want to make sure we have all of those. So that's what this says here. And then we are going to want to make sure that we know that we label angles with an uppercase letter. So for instance, this angle B, that's angle B, uppercase. And then the side across from the angle is the lowercase letter. So if I'm looking for side B, I go find angle B, and the side across from angle B is side B. So 25 is side B. Same thing if I have angle A and I want to go find side A. Angle A is here. The side across from angle A is side A, and I give those lowercase names. So I'm going to erase those, but I'll leave the names of the triangles. So then that means this is going to be C over here. Okay, and I need to figure out what I need to find. So I always start these problems by writing what I need. I have my angle. Let's check my angles. I have angle B, that's 62. I have angle C, that's 90. I don't know what angle A is. So I need my angle A. Now let's check my side lengths. I don't have my side A. My side A is right here, so I need my side A. I do have my side B. My side B is 25, and I am missing my side C, which is blank. So I need also my side C. And I apologize, I made a mistake. That should be a lowercase a. So this is a little c. This should be a lowercase a because sides are lowercase. Excuse me, that was just a habit. And I need to solve for each one of these things individually. So please make sure that your work is organized when you are doing this. And I like to start with whatever piece of information I have the most of. So I know 2 out of the 3 of my angles. I just need to find one angle. And so I am going to do the work for my angle A first. So I'm going to do that down here. And this is my favorite scenario. When I know 2 out of the 3 angles and I just need to find this last one, we can take us back to the fact that all triangles add up to 180 degrees. So I know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C needs to equal 180. So I can solve for angle A by taking those numbers and subtracting it from 180. 180 minus 90 minus 25 will give me, when I do this, it will give me that my angle is equal to, excuse me, that angle is not 25. My angle I was given is 62. 62. Here we go, 62 right there. 180 minus 90 minus 62 now will give me 28 degrees. So angle A is equal to 28 degrees. Okay, and so make sure that we know that. A couple things. Angle A is uppercase. You want to make your work known that that is for angle A, and angle A is an angle, so we need a unit of degrees. Don't forget your degrees here. I will take off without it. But just remember that all triangles add up to 180, so I can solve for it. Please watch the next video for how we're going to find the side lengths.